Hello, my plant-based foodies. It's Mike here with another plant-based recipe. Today we have veggie thin crackers. These are homemade, gluten-free, keto-friendly, so they're really low-carb crackers that you make in one bowl, roll it between 2 sheets of parchment paper, and then bake them on the same parchment that you made them on, yeah? Very straightforward. The recipe is in the description below. Please comment if you have any feedback. Please let me know what you'd like to see me make on this channel. And there's lots more delicious plant-based stuff to come. Here are keto-friendly, veggie thin crackers.